Welcome everyone. My name is Joseph Hastrader with the EWH University for Small Business, and we have a very exciting session for you on understanding and developing your potential and strengths, and also on how to understand and develop others' potential and strengths as well, so we can foster and facilitate our own learning and growth for ourselves and others. To give you an idea of how this session is going to flow, it's really about how do we take our potential and turn it into results. So what we want to first do is we're going to use DISC. It's a tool we're going to use to help facilitate our conversation about where our natural potential is, or also put differently, where our natural behavioral style is. Because what DISC is, it's how we do what we do. And then based on that and understanding the value and the gifts that each one of these styles, D, I, S, and C, brings to the table, and where their potential is to excel, but we have to remember it's potential. We still have to develop it into a strength and then take those strengths and turn it into action to produce results. But one of the first most important steps in the process is identifying where that potential can begin to start with. And as we get into the very beginning part of the session, we'll share a story with you that demonstrates that well, and it's going to kind of be the theme for our session today as well. So we're going to identify these 4 different DISC styles and what can be really great and the value that each one of them brings to the table and the gifts that come along with it. We're also then at the end of our session going to talk about some other areas the DISC styles impact our potential, either with ourselves or others, or results that we're trying to get in our life, or maybe we're trying to get with someone else that we're working with. So what can also then empower that and get us closer to the results we want, or what also can get in the way of that based on some of those things that we just mentioned.